Once upon a time, in a peaceful village, lived an old farmer with his 3 sons. But his home was anything but peaceful, because the sons argued and fought over every little thing. The farmer felt heartbroken seeing them so divided and wished they would learn to live in harmony. One day, he called them together. He held up a thick bundle of sticks and asked his eldest son, "Try to break this." The son used all his might, but the bundle wouldn't even bend. The other 2 sons tried as well, with the same result. The bundle was unbreakable. Then the farmer untied the bundle and gave each son a single stick. "Now, try again," he said. This time, they snapped the sticks effortlessly. The farmer smiled and said, "Do you see it? When you are united like the bundle, you are strong. But when you are divided, you are easily broken. Remember this: unity is strength." The sons finally understood. From that day forward, they worked together, lived in peace, and their family prospered. Thank you for watching.